Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the computer and unplug everything, then ground yourself so static won't damage the drive. Once done, open the case panel, remove screws or press the release to reveal the drive bay. Make sure to identify the exact tray and which direction it slides. Some trays have a latch, others use screws. Place screws in a small container. You're preparing for physical removal, so keep the workspace clear, lights on, and tools within easy reach to avoid fumbling mid-step. Once the panel is off, find the latch or screws holding the tray and act deliberately. Depress the latch or remove 1/4 screws with a Phillips head. Then, slide the tray outward slowly. Support the drive with one hand so it doesn't tilt or fall. If the tray resists, double-check for hidden screws or catch tabs. Forcing it risks bending the bay. When the tray is exposed enough, disconnect the SATA cable and power connector by pulling straight back, not at an angle, to protect the ports. You're finishing now. Unscrew the drive from the tray. Keep track of screw positions and orientation so reinstallation is painless. Inspect the SATA/power connectors and the tray for bent metal or broken clips. If all looks good, store screws and the drive in anti-static packaging. If the tray won't come free, don't force it. Look for a hidden clip, extra screw, or thermal bracket. If needed, use a thin plastic pry tool to release tabs. Avoid metal tools that can short components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.